How to insert Excel sheet in Microsoft Word. So if you want to insert the Excel sheet in Microsoft Word, then first you need to open up your Excel. Open up your Excel sheet that you want to insert in MS Word. Select the rows and columns in the spreadsheet and then right click on it. From the drop down list, you need to click on the copy option and then you need to open up your Word document. And once you're on the Word, now you need to place the cursor where you would like to insert the Excel sheet or the Excel table. Now right click on it and then go for paste option. This will use the same format style as you have created in the Excel. And there are also other formatting styles. So you will have the other formatting or paste styles. You can simply choose other options if you have those options. So copy from here and then go for your Word document and right click here and go for paste options. Here you will have paste options, right? So you can simply choose the first option or the second one, which is use destination style or keep source formatting, or link and keep source formatting, link and use destination styles, pictures, or keep text only. So you can simply choose the first one. Once you've chosen, now if you go and change something on your Excel sheet, then it will automatically change on your document. So that's how you can insert your Excel sheet in your Microsoft Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.